My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
Okay, so I have no idea what I'm going to do for this look. I mean, I have an idea. I know I definitely want to do a blue look. I definitely want to use this Blue Moon palette by Colourpop, but I don't know if I should do a halo eye and then if I should use the middle shade from my shade in here, or I've really been wanting to use this pressed glitter. Ooh, my light isn't on. I really don't like doing this, but yeah, it's like 2:30 in the morning. Yeah, so you know, I just decided to do a look. I'm like, I might as well film it. It might come out good, but if it doesn't, no harm, no foul. All right, so fine. I'll use as much of this palette as I can. So I'm gonna go in with Moonlight, this light blue right there, and in Sigma E40. Actually, I need to use like a transition shade that's not blue. It's gonna bother me if I don't. So I'm gonna use this Colourpop eyeshadow in Say I Do. It's kind of like a very like light pinkish taupe. It kind of has like but it has a cool undertone, so it will definitely go well with the blues. So I think I've decided to do a halo eye. So I'm actually going to bring it up a little bit higher in the crease than I normally would, because the halo eye won't come up that high. Okay, now I'm going to take this Sigma E45 tapered blending brush and I'm going to go in with Dabadi. Put that tightly in my crease. A little bit of starry-eyed in as well. Just see what that looks like. Ooh, yeah, that's prettier. So now I'm going to take this Morphe Jaclyn Hill JH39 pencil brush and I'm going to go in with Fine China. It's kind of like royal blue at the bottom, and first I'm going to put that in my inner corner. And my outer corner. And then I'm going to take that Sigma E45 and I'm going to take Starry Eyed again and then kind of blend it in. Kind of connect it in the middle and do the other eye. I wish there was like a remote that you could buy, and when we asked a question you guys could like pick an answer and all of a sudden I would have your answer, because I can be very indecisive at times, especially when there's so many pretty glittery choices to choose from, and I'm like, well, maybe I should use the pressed glitter because maybe you guys want to see how the pressed glitter performs. But then I'm like, well, maybe I should use a color from the palette because maybe someone has this palette and wants to be able to use all the shadows from the one palette. What is a girl to do? What is a beauty YouTuber to do? See, I don't even like consider myself a beauty YouTuber, like, but I am. It's crazy, like, but I don't know. I like to think of myself as more than just a beauty YouTuber. Alright. Whatever I use, I'm going to need a glitter glue. So I'm going to use this NYX glitter glue and put that on the center of my lid where we have no shadow. Okay, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go in with LUMI, which is this like holographic kind of like duochrome white with like an icy blue shift to it. And I'm going to use that. Might put some glitter on top of it. I don't know. I'll see. So I'm just going to use a flat synthetic brush. Ooh. That's pretty. Alright, now I'm going to touch up the inner and outer corner with fine china and just make sure those two colors are blended harmoniously together. And now I'm going to touch up LUMI with my finger. Yes! Work! Alright, let me do the lower lash line. I'm going to be using this Hard Candy Soft Glide eyeliner in Wink Wink. And I'm going to use Starry Eyed. First. And then fine china. On like the outer third. And blend that out. Okay, I'm going to use this EYEKO liquid eyeliner and do a thin band of eyeliner. I guess I could have used that color to highlight my brow bone, but I think this looks super pretty, so I do need to find a color to highlight my brow bone with. I'm actually going to use this MARSK mineral eyeshadow and vanilla frosting. It's like an icy white. Ooh, I just opened it upside down. Wow. And I'm going to use that for my inner corner as well. So I'm going to throw some mascara on. I'm going to use my Roller Lash by Benefit. And then that's really it. If you want to throw on some lashes, be my guest. But I'm going to sleep, so I am not. Be my guest, be my guest. To the test. I can tie something around your neck, Cherie, and we do tie a napkin around your neck, Cherie, and we will do the rest. So here is the finished eye look. I am going to clean this up actually, but for the most part,